A woman goes to buy a parrot and notices the prices are $100, $200, and $15. Curious, she asks why the last one is so cheap. The shopkeeper replies, "That one used to live in a brothel." Amused, she decides to buy it for $15. When she brings the new parrot home, it immediately says, "Well, I'll be damned, a new brothel." The woman can't help but laugh. Later, when the daughters arrive home, the parrot chirps, "Well, look at that, 2 new ladies of the night." The girls burst into laughter too. But when Dad walks in, the parrot exclaims, "Well, I'll be damned, Pete, long time no see."
Amazing. Awesome, but will end soon.